Hey everyone, let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is robot return to origin. There is a robot starting at position 00, the origin, on 2D plane. Given a sequence of its moves, judge if this robot ends up at 00 after it completes its moves. You are given a string moves that represent the move sequence of the robot, where moves of I represent its ith move. Valid moves are R right, L left, U up, and D down. And we have to return true if the robot returns to the origin after it finishes all of its moves, or false otherwise. And the way that the robot is facing is irrelevant. R will always make the robot move to the right. L will always make it move left. Also assume that magnitude of robot movement is same for each move. Okay. So we will be given in this way moves. This is up and down. So it will go up and it will come down. So it is coming to original state. So that's why it is returning to. And here it is left left. So let's say we have here at this position it will go one left and one left. So it is not at the original position. So this is a easy level question, so we don't really have to build a matrix or something for this going left right. Is it coming to 00 or not? Okay, now what we can understand is, here in question it is given the way that the robot is facing is irrelevant. So if I am going this way and I have left, I'll go back. I don't have to face in this way. I'm going forward, I'm going right, I can go left. Okay, I don't need to go up and then left or change the direction. Okay, I can. So we basically have to calculate the net displacement. So to come at the original place, net displacement should be 0. So how many times we are going to the right, that same times we should come to the left, or down, up. Okay, so basically if I'm going 4 times right side and then let's say 5 times down, so I should come 5 times up and 4 times left, right? That's this is a simple question. What we have to do, we have to calculate my right count and left count are same, and my up count and down count are same. So instead of counting all the things, what I'll do is I'll increment my counter for left and I'll decrement for right. If I have right, I'll decrement. So net should be 0. So similarly for up I'll increment, for down I'll decrement. So net should be 0. If both are 0, we can say it came to original place. Otherwise false. Yes. Now let's calculate. I'll calculate count. I'll take x and y is equal to 0, less than moves dot length I plus plus. Here I'll take this character c is equal to moves dot char at I. Now here I'll check if my, I can use if else also or switch also. I'll use if else now. If my c is equal to L left, then I'll increment x plus plus. Else if my c is equal to right, then I'll do x minus minus. If my c is equal to LR up, then I'll do y plus plus. If my c is equal to, I'll use L, sorry. Or you can not, you don't have to use if here, that's fine. We'll use else directly. Y minus minus, that's it. After this for loop, what we'll do, return my x is equal to 0 and my y is also equal to 0. That's it. If this is true, it will return true, else false. Now let's run this. It is accepted. Let's submit the solution. Yeah, you can see our solution got accepted. So in this way we can solve this question. This is a very easy level question. So even if you see the 2D plane given 0 0 position and all, we have to move left right, but this is just a trick. So as I explained in many videos, if we have to return boolean value, then there must be some trick to solve this question. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.